The 1930 Buick Series 40 stands as a significant milestone in American automotive history, reflecting the elegance, engineering innovation, and stylistic flair of its era. Launched as an entry-level model in Buick's prestigious lineup, the Series 40 brought the refinement of a luxury car to a more affordable class, appealing to the growing middle class of the early 1930s. With the Great Depression casting a shadow across the nation, Buick's strategy with the Series 40 was to offer solid value, impressive performance, and a touch of prestige without the steep price tag of higher-end models. Buick Series 40 rode on a newly designed 118-inch wheelbase, shorter than its upscale siblings, yet spacious enough to provide a comfortable ride for families and business users alike. The car's proportions were well balanced, with a long hood and a gently sloped rear end, giving it a streamlined, dignified presence on the road. Visually, the 1930 Series 40 featured updated styling from the previous year, including a more prominent vertical bar grille and rounded fenders that hinted at the emerging Art Deco influence of the decade. Chrome detailing was tastefully applied, with the Buick emblem proudly displayed on the radiator shell. Under the hood, the 1930 Buick Series 40 was powered by a robust 257.5 cubic inch inline-six engine, delivering around 80 horsepower. While that may not sound like much by today's standards, it was quite respectable for the time, and more than capable of moving the Series 40 with authority. The engine was paired with a 3-speed manual transmission, offering smooth gear changes and good overall drivability. Buick's engineering department also made notable strides in suspension design and braking performance, providing a safer and more refined driving experience than many of its competitors. Inside the cabin, the Series 40 didn't skimp on quality, even if it was the entry-level model. The interior was tastefully trimmed in mohair fabric, with genuine wood accents and a dashboard layout that was both functional and stylish. The gauge cluster provided essential readouts like speed, fuel level, oil pressure, and temperature, all framed in classic nickel trim. Comfort was a priority, and the seating arrangement offered ample space for passengers both front and rear. Ventilation was managed through manually operated cowl vents, a common feature of the time, which helped keep the cabin cool during summer drives.